Hi, welcome Mathematics Pathshala. Play with numbers. A given equation is given a plus b plus 2ab equal to 8, and you have to find out the possible value of a plus b. Now, this type of question just start with taking some factors. For example, here a plus b plus 2ab equal to given as equal to 8. Now start with question. If we find a factor between this second term and third term, here you can see a plus, if you take b as a common factor, then here 1 plus 2ab equal to 8. You can write this equation, just rearrange it. Here you can see 1 plus 2a is a term, and here only a. If you multiply both sides with 2, means we are saying that multiply by 2 both sides, you will get here 2a, because the factor is 1 plus 2a. So just I am trying to find out here 2a. So if you multiply 2 both side, then you will get here 2a plus 2b 1 plus 2a equal to 8 into 2, this is 16. Now the factor was 1 plus 2a. Here 2a is already come. Now is add 1, means I am saying that adding 1 both side. Just find out a factor, just, and nothing here, both side. Then you will find 1 plus 2a, just written in a bracket, plus 2b and 1 plus 2a equal to 1 plus 16. Here you can see that 1 plus 2a and 1 plus 2a is a common factor. It is written as 1 into, there are no problem writing a number multiplied by 1. Then if you take 1 plus 2a as a factor, you will rest 1 plus 2b, and it is equal to 17. You know that 17 is a prime number and there are no factors of 17, so 17 can be written as 1 into 17, or it can be written as minus 1 into minus of 17. There are two possibilities, 1 into 17, and second possibility is minus 1 into minus 17. Start, because LHS you have two factors, 1 plus 2a into 1 plus 2b, and RHS is also have two factors, 1 and 17, and as 17 is a prime number, just equating this equation, we can write, when we are taking the positive values, we can write here 1 plus 2a equal to 1 and 1 plus 2b equal to 17. Here you can solve easily. 2a equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0, so a equal to 0. And the second equation, 1 plus 2b equal to 17, then 2b equal to 16 and b equal to 8. And you have to find out the value of a plus b, so this is 0 plus 8, this is equal to 8. The one value is 8, your answer. In the second case, when we take the negative value, means 1 plus 2a into 1 plus 2b equal to minus 1 into minus of 17. Then just equating the equation, 1 plus 2a equal to minus of 1, so 2a equal to minus of 2 So a equal to minus of 1, and the second equation, it will give you 1 plus 2b equal to minus of 17. So 2b equal to minus of 17 minus 1, this is minus 18. So b equal to minus of 9. So you can write here a plus b equal to minus 1 minus 9. This is equal to minus 10. The second possible value of a plus b is minus 10. So you have to find out the value of a plus b. This is written as 8 or minus of 10. So this is your answer. And if you like this video, this type of problems, just subscribe our channel Mathematics Pathshala. And if you like this video, just press the button of like button, and please share with your friends to promote this video. Just thank you.